I love these EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra battery. It makes upgrading the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X super easy. As you see, we have 3 here, or you can upgrade the Delta Pro Ultra. This is the Delta Pro Ultra here, and this battery is 6,000 watt-hour or 6 kilowatt, and it works with both the older Delta Pro Ultra unit as well as a newer Delta Pro Ultra X unit. The only catch is if you want to install it to the new Delta Pro Ultra X unit, when you unbox it, the first thing you have to do is connect one battery to this unit alone, just this unit and one battery, using the port that's on the far right side of the unit. And that will allow the firmware upgrade to upgrade the battery, then you're good. So that's the only one caveat. This is the Delta Pro Ultra battery, not the Delta Pro Ultra X battery, but they're essentially the same thing, and it's easier to find the Delta Pro Ultra battery because they've been around for a lot longer. So what you get in a box, not too much other than what you expect, and a bonus. Let me show you. So inside you have the battery, you have the user manual, and you have this, which I think is the bonus, but it's necessary. This is the coupler that connects between the Delta Pro Ultra or Delta Pro Ultra X and your battery. Just this one coupler right here. And the unit is here. It comes packaged super well with nice foam to make sure that it's not damaged during shipping. Just like that. That's one unit, one side of the foam. And here's the other side of the foam. And there's the battery. As you expect, it's very heavy. It's about 150 pounds. So taking it out of this box is a little tricky. So let me take it out of the box and show you what this thing looks like. Before we take out the battery, I'm actually going to use the base that came with the Delta Pro Ultra. And that way I can put the battery on that unit, and then I can put the Delta Pro Ultra on top. So this is a little bit better and easier to manage. And this is very stable and it has locks, so you can lock it like this, and that way we put the battery right on this thing right here. Very heavy, but once you have it on this wheel cart right here that came with the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra, also comes with the Delta Pro Ultra X too, it's really nice because you can move it around super easy, and otherwise it's just hard to maneuver. Anyway, this is the battery and it comes with this cable, and that's pretty much it. That's the unboxing, and once you put the Delta Pro Ultra X on top, it will look like this up right here. In fact, let me grab it. EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra on top. Look at that. It's beautiful. So once you connect it to the Delta Pro Ultra, then you can connect the batteries together because there's a battery port on here. Slide this in and slide this one over here, and then you can connect them with this cable that came with the battery. You can lock it if you have a flat tip screwdriver right here. Just turn it so that way you can't push this button, and that way it's more secure, but you can use it as is right there. Once the battery is installed, you can turn on your EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra just like that, and voila, we have one battery and it has 30% capacity because that's about as much as it's shipped with. And there we go. That's the unboxing of the 6 kilowatt Delta Pro Ultra battery that is compatible with the Delta Pro Ultra as well as the Delta Pro Ultra X. If you do the firmware upgrade, remember, only upgrade one battery firmware at a time. But there we go. There's our battery. Oh yeah.